The 2026 zero tax rate increase bond is a smart, strategic investment in our schools, in our community, and in our shared future, without raising property taxes. For Grand Blanc Community Schools, the Phase 1 demolition projects include removing the unattached modular classrooms at Myers. Demolition is necessary to prepare these sites for new construction.
This proposed long-term investment in new state-of-the-art facilities and the renovation of existing buildings reaffirms the district's deep commitment to the Grand Blanc community.
A 6-classroom addition on the former modular classroom site at Myers Elementary.
These construction and renovation projects will provide students with the leading-edge classroom technology they need for success at the next level.
Whether you're a homeowner, retiree, or business owner, these investments benefit not just our teachers and students, but our entire community.
Businesses thrive in communities with well-maintained schools.
And it will do it all without raising property taxes.
This zero tax rate increase bond proposal is a smart, long-term investment strategy that turns tax dollars into a competitive advantage for our students and our community.
Remember to vote on May 5th, 2026. The 2026 zero tax rate increase bond is a smart, strategic investment in our schools, in our community, and in our shared future, without raising property taxes.